Down at the beach. This is the fourth time out with Dare. And over there looks like some archaeological dig. But the map room is over there. Come on, let's go. Where are they digging for the Well of Souls? Yeah, looks like some archaeological dig. Oh right, I guess the map room is over there. Curious myself.
Looks amazing, eh?
Looks like some archaeological dig.
Yes, it does.
Where are they digging for the Well of Souls? But the map room is over there. Come on, let's go. I guess that over there, that guy with the white hard hat, I guess that's Bellark. They call him Bolush. Bellark. I'm making a mime video out of it.
That's right.
Put it on YouTube.
Do it.
Look at it. Look at the dune set. Bloody hell! What the heck are they?